Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 30th of April and here's to years 3, 4, 5 and 6 for amazing children who've been amazing throughout this week. They absolutely have. And all of you make my job easier. So thank you right away before we even see them. So really well done and just keep it up please. Because if we keep that up, it's infectious and others will just copy you. So let's just keep doing these amazing things. Let's have a look at these children now. We start off, here we go, look, Mr. Pinnerstars, look, for beautifully presented work, and you can see some of that there because there's some amazing pictures of it. So you've got Alana, we've got Rhea, we've got Olivia, we've got Dexter, Sienna, Subhan, Gemma, Andrea, Ruben, and Layla. Look at that, look at these, look at the smiles as well, eh? Absolute beaming smiles, and so you should be, because you should be really proud of your work. Your handwriting, setting out, whether that's maths, or your English, your geography, your history, whatever that is, it is phenomenal, and even science. So guys, let's keep it up, year fours. It is really good, and it just makes me smile. So really well done. Not only your smiles make me smile, but your work does as well. So thank you, let's keep it up. Moving on. This white says, super spellers. These children are working very hard on accurate spelling. Wow, well done. This white's class, well done. So you've got Jaden, you've got Mahir, Eva, Mia, Fiona, Lexi, Savannah, Milana, Joseph, Jakisha, and Christophus. Look at you guys, look at your heads, look at you read, absolutely amazing. Do you know what? Reading will help with your spelling as well, because the more you read, the more words you come across, the better you'll become as spellers as well. So this in itself is also helping you to become better spellers, so keep it up guys. Keep a look at big smiles as well on your faces. It's fantastic. It does just make me smile, so well done all of you, thank you. Oh, Mr. Ackerman says, look at these, super listeners. Now these guys follow instructions every single time, the first time, they don't have to be asked again. They do it without being asked, without being repeated. They are amazing and they are super listeners. They follow those instructions immediately. Come on, let's give them a shout out. Alfie, Oscar, Willow, Thea, Marshall, Jack, Berin, Alea, Daniel, and Heather. You guys, massive round of applause. Well done guys, because you are super listeners. And you make Mr. Ackerman's job easy, because that's all he wants. So well done. Come on everyone else, copy these guys. Brilliant. Here we go. Oh, look out. For using Spelling Shed and Times of Rockstar at home. Massive shout outs to these guys for all the work that they are doing at home, the extra learning. So we've got Bentley, we've got Mia, Alicia, Doreen, Reggie, Eliza, Lily, Mia, Riley, Dylan, Racer, Jessica, and Jake. Really well done. Massive smiles again, guys, making me smile. Keep it up, because if you're doing that at home, doing that home learning, it's just going to benefit you in school. So really well done. And it just makes me smile, and I'm just so pleased that so many of you are getting on and doing more work at home as well. So well done. Keep it up. Thank you for being an excellent role model this week. Absolutely, these year sixes have set the bar really high of how to behave, how to be a true Marcross Primary School child. And these year sixes have done that. So we've got Nikita, we've got Cody, we've got Kyle, we've got Miriam, Edric, Deanna, and Aston. You guys are amazing. Thank you. I said right at the beginning about making my job easier. You certainly do that for Mr. Allen. You are amazing children. Please keep it up, because the more you do that, others will copy you. And it does make my job much easier. So thank you to all of you. Let's give them a massive cheer, please, these year sixes, because they deserve it. So thank you so much. Moving on here, Mr. Davison as well. Being a role model at all times. Here we go, we've got even more of these year sixes. We give massive shout outs to these guys. Amelia, Ella, Tedas, Summer, Scarlett, Sophie, Ellie, Katie, Leon, Julia, and Harlow. Massive cheer, guys. Thank you so much to every single one of you. Please keep it up, because it is amazing and it just makes for wonderful days at school. So thank you all. Brilliant, superstars. There we go, Miss Musselwhite superstars. Look at these, hey? Some special shout outs here. We've got Jessica for amazing arithmetic scores. Look at her, look. You mathematician wizard, you, well done. Kendrick for always trying his best. You really are, Kendrick, really well done, buddy. Keep it up, keep it up. For producing excellent work in English, we've got Calvin, Diego, Bianca, Nadia, and Zane. Look at you. You're going to be all the future, you're poets and authors, I'm sure of it. Brilliant English work, so well done, guys. We've got for increased confidence in all areas. Goda and Isabel, you two girls have been amazing this year and just grown. And you are producing amazing work. So please keep it up, Goda. Keep it up, Isabel, because you two girls are amazing. You just don't realize it yet. So please, come on, you are amazing. Keep it up. And they're always working as hard as they can. Look at these two. Look, we've got Oliver and we've got Courtney. Big smiles on their face, even though they're working feverishly. So well done, all of you. Miss Musselwhite Superstars, you absolutely are. Give them a massive cheer, please, in class, because they are amazing. Well done. We've got Miss Arthurton Superstars again. Look at these, split up into 3 groups again. Here we go. Have a look. Reading Stars. We've got Kieran, Freya, Martin, Damien, Erica, Amber, and Ruben. These guys reading every single day, and actually multiple times each day as well. They are amazing. So really well done, all you reading stars. I have seen your reading records and they are amazing. We've also then got English and math stars for working so hard in their English and maths. So we've got Summer, Ashton, Lily, Logan, Brooklyn, Angel, Joe, and Xavier. Well done, guys. Fantastic working at English and your maths. And then we've got home learning stars. Look at these guys who just work at home every single night. So we've got Sophia, Adriel, Amelia, Milana, Amelia, and Evie. Well done. Massive cheer for you guys. Well done, you year 5s. You absolute superstars. I'm so proud of you. Look, just making me smile just talking about you. So well done and keep it up. Thank you. Here we go. Look, a couple of messages for this weekend, for the long weekend coming up. We got kindness is free. Come on, guys. It doesn't cost anything to be kind, to say please, to say thank you, hold a door open for someone, play nicely with someone, share. It is free, guys. Come on, let's have more kindness out there this weekend and be really kind. As well as that, smiles are contagious. I keep saying that. You know that. Every time that I see you smile, in lessons, on your shout-outs, golden ticket winners, when you come in the morning, through the gates, or when you're leaving, they are contagious. Let's smile more. So let's have a weekend of being really kind and smiling lots. Till next week, everyone. Bye-bye now.